Alright guys, welcome back to Raw Doing Stuff. We're in Hawaii. We're going to try this Rambutan fruit. We bought this whole bag at the farmer's market for like $3. And I've never tried it before, so, you know, why not? It's kind of hard to cut. It's a little thick. So I guess you cut them like yay. And just pop that sucker open. There's your fruit in there. See if I can get that out. There we go. That looks like a eyeball or something. I don't know. I'm not sure about this. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Yeah, it's kind of like a grape with a big seed in the middle of it. So I guess you don't want to eat that. But yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, yeah, it's good.
What's the middle of it look like?
The middle of this?
Yeah.
It's just white in there. It tastes a lot like a grape without skin on it, like a skinned grape. Yeah, it's good. All right, so these were, you know, I ate the first one. I was like, yeah, that's all right. The second one, it's like, yeah, that's really good. And then we just finished off the entire bag in like 5 minutes. So yeah, they're good. If you ever get the chance, buy you some and eat them up. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.